Greetings travelers, and welcome to a new video in my series Let's Draw, where today I'm drawing Liu Kang from the Mortal Kombat series. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps out a lot, and then that way you can also receive updates when I put out some new videos showing you more helpful drawing techniques. There are 3 lessons you can learn here today. First and most importantly, I'd like to show you how to draw a face, and taking particular care to not make the mistakes I'm making here. The main mistake I made was not using construction lines in this case to make sure all my facial features are in proportion. You can already see that the left eye is hanging a bit low and looks a little bit deformed there. See, I'm taking very particular care around the face. As a well-known character, I'd like to be as accurate as possible in this representation. One thing you must always remember as an artist is that just because you've put a lot of effort into something doesn't mean it's good or has any value. I was already overcommitted to this face and could have saved myself a lot of time and effort by just going back to the basics and starting afresh. Here are some interesting facts about Liu Kang. He is one of the original 7 playable characters and was designed to be one of the most accessible at the time. Liu Kang was also initially intended to be a traditional bald buck until actor Puck represented him in the first 2 games refused to cut his hair, giving us the long-haired Liu Kang that we know and love to this day. And indeed, initially he was a traditional monk-type character, sporting short hair and simple black pants and white shoes. Gotta be careful not to give up too easily. This drawing can still be saved. I keep coming back to the face over and over, but it's important to take a break and work on other parts of the artwork and come back to that part that you're struggling with. Maybe you'll have some fresh ideas. In fact, I did this over the course of a few days and also took quite a lot of breaks in between. So this is cut from about 4 hours of footage, sped up 25 times, and all the unnecessary details removed for your viewing pleasure. I did lose a bit of footage, it was bad quality, but I'm learning every day how to make better content for you guys. I'm starting to draw the tattoo here. He gets cool glowing dragon tattoos as an ascended god in this form. He has inherited Raiden's powers and become the protector of the earth. Hence the glowy blue eyes, which I think I will correct in a moment. You've noticed I'm using a knife to cut small pieces off of my eraser, and that allows me to use it in a more detailed fashion to bring out some of those shapes and forms in the drawing. I'm starting to finalize some of those lines of the dragon. I was quite excited to do that. the rest of the video, and be sure to check out some of my other work if you like, and yeah, there's more coming soon. And yeah, don't be afraid, leave a comment if you would like me to do your favorite character. Just let me know who you'd like me to draw. Once again, thank you for watching.